friends, it's Cheryl from Lifestyle Digs, and today I'm going to do a review on my Pelsee P1 dual dash camera. That means I have a dash camera on my front windshield and another one on my rear window. And it is installed in a Ford Escape. So let's go inside and take a look at the dash cameras. Here's my perspective sitting on the driver's seat. And the Pelsee dash camera is behind the rear view mirror. So it's pretty small. And all these wires, they get tucked in up there and then around the fittings and the weather stripping towards the back. There are two wires. This one here is for the rear dash camera. Let me just see if I can show you way back there. Rear dash camera. We'll take a closer look at that in a minute. So I've got the wiring coming in and tucked in here and then down the weather stripping. And to get it over to my cigarette lighter, some people install it underneath the glove compartment area, and Pelsee did include a couple of little hooks that you could do that. But for right now, I've just got the wiring underneath my passenger seat doormat. When installing the dash camera on the rear window, when it's a hatchback, I have a hatchback, you have to leave enough wiring for when the hatch goes up, so you're not ripping out your wiring. Now, I did have a little bit of trouble with getting the wiring into this area of my car. There was at least 6 feet of extra wiring cable that I had to deal with, so I crammed it as best I could into this area here. I'm sure a more mechanically oriented person with some tools, some pry tools, could have probably pulled this right out and got the wiring to fit in a lot nicer, but that's about it for now. I crammed in as much as I could, and then I just wouldn't fit anymore. Just a little bit of background. I've had dash cameras before, and when you have a dash camera, it is just plugs in all the time to the cigarette lighter, and when the car starts, the camera turns on and starts video recording. When I turned the car off with my last dash camera, it was about 10 seconds after the car shut off that the camera would turn off and stop recording. It appears that my new Pelsee dash camera is an overachiever. Trying to do all this one-handed here, not working out so well. Okay, got it plugged in. You can see it coming on.
Start recording.
Okay, it started recording. As you can see, well, you can't see the key. The key is not in the ignition. Can you even see the key there? Anyway, the car is not running. This camera should not be recording. But like I said, it's an overachiever. As soon as you plug it in, it starts recording. I did contact Pelsee customer service and I asked them about this, and you know, they suggested to keep doing what I'm already doing, which means when I start driving the car, I plug it in. When I turn the car off, I pull it out. And the problem with this is that I don't always remember to unplug it and plug it back in again. And sometimes I will get hours and hours of fascinating footage of the side of the house. So the Pelsee has an app that you download onto your phone, and the app records all the recordings from the Pelsee dash camera, both the front and the rear. They're stored on here. And to get them off the file, I guess, you can download them. There is an album on the Pelsee dash camera, so you can download them into the album, and from there you can email it to yourself or text it somewhere or download it onto the Photos app on your phone. Now, the Pelsee app, to view the video files, it only works when the camera, your phone, is within close distance to the camera. So you either have to be inside your car or just outside your car. If you get too far away and you pull up your Pelsee app and look for the files, you won't see it. It won't connect. So that's why you have to be pretty close You don't have to have your car started. I'm living proof of that. You just have to have it plugged in. If that means starting your car, then so be it. So that's how you get the files off the camera app. You can download them onto an album. Now, if I go inside the house and I pull up the Pelsee app and I look at the album, I can see the videos that I downloaded. I download in 3 minutes, 3-minute segments each video, and it takes approximately 3 minutes to download that video and save it onto my album on my Pelsee app. Now, what about video quality? Well, I can say that the Pelsee dash camera is no better or worse than any other dash camera that I've had. I can see license plates, but I can't actually read the numbers on the license plates, and that could be important if you're in an accident or a hit and run and somebody takes off. I can use the app, look at the file, and expand it somewhat. But of course, the more I make the video file larger, the less clarity there is on the picture. So I can't say that I can get a clear view of the license plate actual numbers. Could be a problem, maybe not. Anyway, I have recorded just a few snippets of what the Pelsee dash camera looks like in action, both driving, front and rear window, and also what happens when I forget to unplug it at a parking lot. Thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed my review of the Pelsee dash camera, but stick around for the little video demonstration.